All right, boys and girls, let's do our number of the day. Today's number of the day is going to be 10. And when we write a 10, here it is up here. Let's do it in the center. That is the 1 and the 0 together to make 10. Thought this was a good number to follow 5, because when we're counting by 5s, we say 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on and so on. So 10 is a multiple of 5. So let's start with those tally marks. Now we know if we add two groups of 5, 5 plus 5, we get 10. So we're going to be making two groups of 5, right? And we've been practicing that. So when you make the tally marks, you make 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And that special diagonal, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're going to have two groups of 5, 5 and 10. Okay, now we're going to draw that many. So let's think of what we like to draw today. How about we draw 10? 10 what? 10 what? 10 what? Oh, how about 10 triangles? Okay, now I'm going to do mine in groups of 5. That way it's easier to count. So I'm going to do 5 going down and another 5. Okay, so you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's one group of 5. Now I'm going to start back up at the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5 and 10, 5 and 10. See how that works? Okay, well then let's go down to the hands, because we need two groups of 5 down at the bottom, and we know one hand has 5 on it. Oops, why couldn't you say give me 5? So we're going to color how many hands? Right, we're going to do two groups of 5. So you choose any 2 hands you want and color those in. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. One hand, that's a group of 5. And here's the other hand. For our group of 5, 5 and 10. Okay, all right, so now we're going to write it in words. 10, 10, t, t, t. This is a short and easy one. And then the sound, E, and good old Mr. N, t, N. So I'm going to write it down here, T, E, N makes 10. And then if we're counting, what number comes before 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. 9 is the one that comes before. Oops. So a 9 is a circle with the line down, 9. So 9, 10. Yep, and then comes 11. That was one of our numbers of the day last week, 11. There we go. There's all of our ways to make 10. So 5, 10, 5 and 10, 5 and 10, 9, 10, 11, and our word 10, T-E-N. Perfect. Okay, oh, something else fun you can do, boys and girls. I'm going to take this down for a second. When you're done here, if you go into your, oops, let me erase this, your writer's notebook, something fun that you can do inside your notebook is make what I call, let me take this down a minute, make what I call a number page, okay? So in the middle of your notebook, hang on, I'm going to pull up Caleb's notebook, because that's the notebook I have been using. So if this is your writer's notebook, all right, you find a nice, clean, empty page, and then for this, I like to turn it sideways, like this. Here's a notebook page. And then this is where you can make a really fun number page. So you can take today's number of the day And I've got all my markers ready. Here they are. Today's number of the day. And in the middle of that page, I want you to choose your favorite color. And on that page, you make a nice 10. Now, maybe you want to do something fun. So here's a nice big 1. And here's a nice big 0. 10. This is going to be our special number, okay, for our 10 page. And then I might do something fun like decorate it. And again, if you need to pause and go get your notebook, go ahead and do that, and then we'll keep going on this. Then decorate your 10 in some kind of fun way. 10 is great. Maybe your 10 gets polka dots. Maybe it gets some stripes. Ooh, that's fun. And maybe it gets some more stripes. It's almost like it's the 10's birthday. We're going to make a really fun 10 page, all things 10. All right, so now you're going to decorate this with all the different ways you can make 10, or all the different neat, fun styles or colors you could write the number 10 in. So we're going to fill this page with all things 10. So we know how to spell 10, don't we? And so I'm going to take one of my fun colors. I'm going to take this green color, and I'm going to write the word 10 in capital letters. Nice and big. 10, T, E, and N. Oh, that's fun. 10. There's how you spell 10. Now I'm going to choose another color and do it in small letters. And I think I'm going to do this one sideways. T, E, N. Ooh, isn't that fun? I'm going to make it look like a little bit like a sunshine. Boop, 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 boop. 10. Yay. Okay, then I'm going to take, how about some purple? And I'm going to find another way to make some 10s. So maybe I want to make a pattern. I'm going to choose purple, and I'm going to choose, blue. These two look nice together. And I'm going to make a pattern of 10s. Are you ready? Watch this. All right, so I'm going to go blue 10. Whoops, sorry, that moved. Blue 10. And then I'm going to switch, and I'm going to say purple 10. And then I'm going to say blue 10. And then I'm going to say purple 10. And then I'm going to say blue 10. Oh, that keeps moving. Sorry. And purple 10. And make a fun pattern of 10s. All right. Now, what other fun things can I do with the number 10? Let's see. Next color I'm going to choose is, yellow. I haven't used any yellow. Oh, you know what else I could do, which would be really fun, is I could do a rainbow of 10s. How about this? Ready? So I'm going to start with red. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. Oh, and then I might do a row of orange next, like a rainbow. 10, 10, see it coming? 10, 10, 10, and 10. Ooh, now I can keep going. I got some yellow. Here comes my 10 rainbow. Do you see that? 10, and 10, and 10, and 10, and 10. And then I'm going to keep going. What's going to be next? Green, blue, purple, right? I'm going to keep going with that. Okay, what other fun things can we do with 10? Maybe there's a fun way you can write the letters. So here we have 10 and 10. So maybe you could make squiggly letters or squiggly numbers, right? So we could make a 10 like this. We could say, that's a 1. And then we can make a squiggly 0. 10. Isn't that fun? 10. And then I could also make different colored letters with my markers. I want to write 10 again. So maybe I'll do it up here. T in red. And then I make a green E. 10, and then a yellow N. Ooh, I'm going to continue that pattern. I think that looks fun. Then I'm going to do a red. Ooh, and another green. See my pattern? And another, what color? Yes, yellow. Oh, I'm going to go all the way across the top with that. That's fun. T, E, N. You choose whatever colors you want. And you don't have to do that at the top. You could make that anywhere on your page. So this is your 10 page. So you decorate it however you want. You might draw 10 objects. So maybe you want to draw 10. What is Mrs. McAdams like? Oh, I like hearts. So I'm going to draw 10 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ooh, I love the way that looks. Maybe I could make 10 of something else. Ooh, what else do you think? 10 stars, maybe? 10 puppies, 10 flowers, 10 butterflies, 10 squares, 10 triangles, 10 fingers. You can decide whatever you want it to be. I think I like stars, and I love yellow. But we know stars can be yellow, they can be blue, they can be red. So I'm going to start with yellow stars over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to change to a blue star. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go. Isn't this fun? It's just filling up with all things 10. So I'm going to think of some other things to do in here. I'm going to finish my 10 rainbow. So you go ahead and finish your 10 page. Keep working on it. Do whatever fun things you want to do. I can't wait to see what your 10 page looks like. Okay, so go grab that writer's journal and let's see you create a really fun 10 page, all things number 10. Okay, all right, good work, and let me see them when they're done. I can't wait to see the pictures. All right, bye everybody.